A household with kids, pets, noise, crumbs, and chaos does not need a delicate sofa. It needs something that shows up, takes a hit, and keeps its shape. The Studio Living Lifestyle Solutions Harrington Sofa feels designed with exactly that reality in mind. Visually, the Harrington plays it calm. Button-tufted back, rolled arms, tapered faux-wood legs, clean, modern, and polite enough to look more expensive than it is. At just over 80 inches wide, it's a true sofa, not an undersized apartment prop pretending to be furniture. It fits 3 adults comfortably and still leaves room for kids and pets to sprawl like they own the place. In many homes, they do. The first surprise usually comes before it's even assembled. The box looks suspiciously small for a full sofa, yet everything is packed efficiently and protected well. Once opened, the pieces make sense. Assembly is tool-free, straightforward, and fast. Though this is not a solo sport, 2 people make it easier, sturdier, and far less frustrating. 10 to 20 minutes later, there's a couch standing where a box used to be, which already feels like a small win. The fabric deserves credit. Upholstered in polyester with a microfiber, almost velvet feel, it's soft to the touch without feeling fragile. It's what might be called life-proof. Spills happen, stains happen, kids jump, pets dig in. The fabric doesn't panic. Even after months of heavy use, it tends to hold together without ripping or sagging, which is more than can be said for far pricier sofas. One thoughtful detail quietly separates this couch from others in its price range: Velcro instead of staples on the back and bottom fabric. That sounds minor until it isn't. Velcro means crumbs, crayons, mystery debris, and whatever else life drops into a couch can actually be cleaned out. Parents understand how rare and valuable this is. The sofa is also light enough to slide easily across laminate or hard floors, turning clean under the couch from a monthly ordeal into a normal part of cleaning day. Comfort lands on the firmer side. The seat cushions are thick and supportive, holding their shape instead of sinking into nothingness. This firmness works well for sitting, lounging, and even stretching out for a nap. Taller users can lie down comfortably, and kids seem to treat it like a jungle gym with cushions. The backrest is softer, which balances things out, but the arms are lightly padded. A couple of throw pillows fix that instantly. The color may surprise people. Marketed as dark gray, it tends to shift depending on lighting. Sometimes blue, sometimes green, sometimes something in between. It may not match every floor or wall perfectly, but many end up liking the personality it brings. It doesn't feel flat or boring, and over time it becomes part of the room rather than a mismatch. This is not a luxury heirloom sofa. It doesn't pretend to be. It feels sturdy, practical, and honest. It won't thank anyone for dramatic flopping or extreme weight drops, but it handles everyday life with impressive resilience. 6 months in, even with stains and constant use, the structure tends to remain solid, the cushions intact, and the frame unbothered. The Harrington Sofa exists for people who need a reliable place to sit, sprawl, gather, and live, without spending thousands or worrying about every spill. It's the kind of couch that earns trust quietly. One day it's there just for now, and the next, matching pieces are being added because it turned out better than expected. That's not flashy design. That's furniture doing its job.